Convert any files to audio Talisman. Create unlimited virtual pendants. Connect your drive to PC and open it. Create manifestation folder. Open folder with content, files which you want to manifest into your real physical life. Copy desired files to manifestation folder. Open folder with your convert any files to at and copy any of these into the manifestation folder at your drive. You can increase the power output by making more copies of the convert any files to it by copy and paste function. Make as many copies as it's comfortable for you. More copies equals more power. You can add more files to your live reality remix. It's not limited to pictures. These can be text files too. Add your affirmations or anything else you wish to manifesting. To add more power, make more copies of convert any file to at. Don't need to making more copies of your files to manifesting. You can add any sound files like form example subliminals, your recorded affirmations, SM-FAND-HT4Y audio, or any other audio created by any vendor. It can be even Reiki transmissions audio, or audiobooks with the content you wish to materialize. Files with frequencies like 7 Hz will works too. Convert any file to it is good also for manifesting ebooks. Make sure your content is positive in general meaning, and don't include any negative items. You just want all the good things happen in your life. There is built-in protection for manifesting good things only. Anyway, choosing positive content will guarantee 100% of positive manifestation. You can add to the mix any frequencies like for example rife frequencies. To receive more power, don't need to make duplicates of your content files. Instead of this, make more copies of convert any files to at or add files with higher X power, strength. Once you have your desired composition, you can eject your drive and start using it near your body. Another example of how to use convert any files to at. In case you want sort out your manifestation files into different categories, create folders and remember to put each of them the manifestation folder. Add source of power to manifestation folders. Add new content to manifestation folders. Different themes/topics which you want to distinct. At the time you can convert any files to it from another folders and keep only in chosen one. When you change your mind, convert any files to it to another manifestation folders too. Convert any file to Audio Talisman version 2. Another example how to use. Create manifestation folder. With Convert Any File to It version 2 you have many possibilities of view awesome manifestations. Open folder with your files for manifestation in real physical life. Choose files and copy to the manifestation folder at your pen drive. Open folder with backup copy of your Convert Any Files to It version 2 and choose Write Files. In this case the ones which apply for attraction and relationships. Another example. Wealth dollars bills. Add files to manifestation folder. Add Convert Any Files to Audio Talisman files to empower your manifestation. Make as many copies you want. Another example. Manifesting content of ebooks, audio, music, frequencies. Convert any files to it which it most represents your goal, in this current example third eye and crown chakra frequency, and solfeggio for spiritual order and intuition. Add more power if you want. It is not needed. Some people prefer more power and others don't. Each of us is unique and has own unique sensitivity level to the energy. Another example. Copy subliminals to the manifestation folder. Convert any files to it which are most suitable for your goal. Set desired energy output by adding more copies, or remain it as it is. In case of too much power, delete some of copies, or choose smaller files like 10x. Another example. Add your desired content to manifestation folder. Add some fuel to empower your manifestation. Special image JPG file with abilities of convert any files to it has far more wider spectrum of energy than standard MP3 files. Use it for all purposes, all goal, wishes. Optionally add more power by copy and paste convert any files to it files. Using convert any files to it is simple and can bring it lots of joy and happiness. Manifesting with version 2 works instantly. Disconnect your pen drive. In case of main files for make it works, keep the pen drive near your body, i.e. in your pocket. In case of spherical version, you can leave the pen drive on your desk. It will manifesting all the good things for you in passive way, effortlessly.